This, my friends, is the Helikon-Tex Woodsman Anorak, and I will do a 360 for you. I've been testing this product out for the last couple of months, and I have only good things to say about it. This is by far the best anorak I have ever used. It is one of my favorite jackets of all time, in fact. My name is Luke, this is the Outdoor Gear Review, and my review of this anorak begins now. Let's start off with some stats. We'll finish up with the price, and we'll talk about that for a minute because it's very important. When it comes to the weight of this anorak, for the medium size, you are looking at 1.7 pounds. The materials are a combination of polyester, cotton, nylon, and elastane. 55% polyester, 23% cotton, 19% nylon, 3% elastane. This jacket is available in a wide range of sizes and also colors, including the olive green and black combination which you see here, which I happen to like a lot. What you have here is DuraCanvas fabric on the front, which is very tough, spark resistant, and so on. On the back side, you have a StormStretch fabric, which is breathable and also slightly stretchy. That way you can bend, you can move, and your range of motion isn't inhibited. On the front, you have a large kangaroo pocket with dual zippers. These are YKK zippers. Inside of this, you have a ton of space for anything that you want to keep inside of here. For myself, I usually have a pair of gloves. In this case, I have some tape for my notes here, and some matches. You have a plastic D-ring so you can clip on your keys, maybe a carabiner, and you have multiple sleeves on the inside. You also have a pass-through port for headphones and whatnot. When it comes to the wrists, you have hook and loop adjustments, so you can make this as loose or as tight as you want it. Of course, you have that on both sides. On the sides here, we have very impressive features. First off, you have a zipper which goes all the way down so you can vent, release some heat, and at the same time, you have a snap down here, and you also have an additional zipper, which goes all the way up to your pit zips. Now check that out. You can easily vent, and also you can easily take this off and put it on. That is an incredible feature. You have these zippers on both sides. Check that out. And that, for me, makes this jacket absolutely amazing. If you're not familiar with an anorak, think of them as an outdoors jacket that's generally very tough. These are jackets that pull over. They do not have a front zip or anything like that. Now, with my experiences, I like them a lot, but they can be very hard to get on. Think of your favorite jacket, but zip it up and then have to pull it over. That can be difficult. Thanks to these zips, that is no longer the case. Once you have the jacket on, grab the zipper, pull it down, and snap it. And of course, do it on the other side as well. The zippers are excellent. They're nice and smooth. I've had no issues with zipping them up or down. On the right-hand side of the jacket, you do have two draw pulls, so you can pull this nice and tight. That way you can prevent gusty winds and blowing snow. Yes, this jacket does have a hood. And it is an excellent hood. It is fully adjustable just about any way that you can imagine. You have a draw pull on the back, which works very well, and you have draw pulls here on the side, which also works very well. You can get this to fit you or anybody else. It's perfect. Before getting to the review, we should talk about the lower pockets. You have YKK zippers on both sides, zip them down, and you have a pass-through pocket. On the inside, this is a mesh material, which does allow for some breathability. Then, of course, we have the neck zip, which features a wind block, a zipper guard. Goes all the way up to your chin. It, too, is very, very comfortable. With the hood on and the jacket zipped up, you can see the sort of fit that you can get here. You can have this as tight or as loose as you want it. And as far as the features go, that's pretty much it. So why don't we go ahead and jump to the review now. Starting with the pros, I have to say that this jacket is absolutely top-notch in terms of quality and also design. This is a very impressive product that has really held up well over months and months of use. In fact, it looks brand new, even though you all have been seeing this jacket for months and months. I've used this in overnight trips. I've used this to shoot videos with. I've used this out in the wood for my own trips and so on. I absolutely love this jacket. And also, it matches my style very, very well. When you see me in these videos, I'm wearing my Fjallraven pants, I'm wearing this jacket. I'm not putting this stuff on to film a video. That is what I wear on a daily basis. I wear this on a daily basis. And honestly, folks, Helikon-Tex has done an excellent job with this jacket. The design is very good. The hood is excellent. The materials are excellent. They're also wind resistant and also slightly water resistant. You can wax this material if you want to. But if you've never done that before, it can be a chore, and once you do that, breathability goes out the window. And also, if you don't do an absolute perfect job, it's not waterproof. For myself, I have no plan to wax it. It's just not something that I want to do. You can, of course. Also, the materials are comfortable and stretchy. You have full range of movement with this jacket, and I like that a lot. It doesn't hinder you at all, and it doesn't matter if you're standing up, bending over, working, and whatnot. The materials are very tough. They are suited for the outdoors. It doesn't matter if you're hiking or around camp, you're pushing through the brush. The material hasn't torn up. It hasn't punctured. It hasn't ripped. There's no burns in this. It really has held up well with my use. Next up, we have to talk about the quality of the zippers. They are absolutely top-notch. YKK all the way around, the best of the best. They are smooth, they don't get caught. Now, I should say, for the most part, they don't get caught. Here in the front, this does have that wind guard, the chin guard, so you pretty much have to push that out of the way with your thumb as you're pulling up, and you won't have a problem. The pit zips are also very smooth. Pull it down nice and easy. Going back up is pretty easy as well. The chest pocket is very, very large. It offers you a ton of space. It gets a thumbs up from me. I like the pass-through pocket as well. It's comfortable to use. It is not a hand-warming pocket by any means, but it is comfortable enough. Size-wise, it is large enough to fit a medium-size insulation layer underneath it. This is the EU medium, US small. It would be my advice to check with a sizing chart before making your purchase to ensure that you get the right size for you. I've already talked about how easy it is to take this jacket off and to put it on. That's a huge plus for me. For those individuals who have a hard time putting on an anorak, this is the one to get. And lastly, everyone, when talking about the pros for this jacket, we have to talk about value. Coming back to that, $94 for this anorak. That is an absolutely incredible price. It really is. I want you all to think about this. If Fjallraven made this product, they would charge $300 to $400 for it. Now, guess what? Fjallraven does make an anorak, and guess how much they charge for it? It's like 450 bucks. Seriously, seriously. The value here is excellent. The materials are super strong, very similar to the G1000. And again, I'm super, super impressed. This combination of materials will last forever. You guys have seen me wear these Fjallraven pants for bloody ever, and the combination of materials is very similar. Super, super tough. Lasts forever, and I expect no less from this as well. I'm sure you're wondering what about cons, and to be honest, there's not much. I could nitpick and say that with the hand pockets here, you cannot access these when you have a backpack on and the waist belt around you. That's a small nitpick. There are other anoraks made by Helikon-Tex, in fact, that have pockets that are low enough to work with a backpack. To me, that is not a deal breaker by any means. I suppose, if you want to nitpick, there's no clip on this D-ring. I would like to see a clip for keys and whatnot. That would make things nice and easy. For some people. I mean, truly, I'm just nitpicking now. All in all, for the money, this is simply fantastic. It really is. This is a fantastic article of clothing that I have no problem giving a huge thumbs up to. I love this jacket. It has really performed well for me. And if you want to get one, I think you will be impressed as well. Of course, with the channel here, I am agenda free. I don't care if you buy this. I got this in to test out because frankly, I thought it looked good, and in my opinion, it does. Over the last couple of months, I've been very, very impressed with Helikon-Tex. The quality of their gear is excellent. I started off with their numbback chest rig, and that was an awesome piece of kit at a very good price. After that purchase, I went a little bit nuts and I got in all sorts of Helikon-Tex gear. So plenty of reviews of their gear is coming up soon, including another anorak and some pants. In the end, everyone, this jacket makes an awesome companion for your outdoor adventures. It doesn't really matter what you're doing, backpacking, hiking, bushcraft, or even daily life. It fits well into just about everything. And now, everyone, I want to hear from you all. Make sure to comment down below, share your thoughts about this anorak, and share your thoughts about Helikon-Tex, good and bad, if there is any bad to share. Here with the Outdoor Gear Review, it's all about being upfront and honest, and that includes with the comments as well. If there's something negative to say it. That's what it's all about. Again, I don't care if you buy this or not. My prerogative is to share with you all my thoughts, my feelings, and honest review. That's it. That's it. Make sure to comment down below. If you have a question for me, email me. I cannot go through the comments and answer all those. It's impossible. I mean, thousands and thousands of comments every single day. I just can't do it. So if you have a question, email me. I'll address that for you. Take care. Strength and honor. I'll see you all around. Bye.